Hey, have you got some more?
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for the best Canon camera in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best-selling Canon cameras of the year, from powerful full-frame models to budget-friendly options. Let's jump in. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Canon EOS R50, a beginner-friendly mirrorless camera that's compact, easy to use, and delivers great image quality for the first-time photographers. The 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor captures sharp, vibrant image and dual pixel autofocus, making focusing a breeze. Plus, it's one of the most affordable ways to get into Canon's mirrorless system. At number 4, we have the Canon EOS R8, a budget-friendly full-frame camera with serious performance. The 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor delivers beautiful colors and dynamic range, while 4K 60 frames video makes it a great choice for content creators. Coming in it at number 3, we have the Canon EOS R7, the best choice for wildlife and sport photography in Canon's lineup. The 32.5 megapixel APS-C sensor delivers fantastic detail, and with 30 frames per second electronic shutter speed, you won't miss a moment. At number 2, we have the Canon EOS R5 Mark II, Canon's latest flagship mirrorless camera that's packed with the high-end features. With a 45 megapixel sensor, 180 megapixel upscale images, and 8K video recording, this camera is powerhouse from professional photographers and filmmakers. And at number 1, we have the Canon EOS R6 Mark II, the best-selling full-frame cameras of 2025. This camera strikes the perfect balance between performance and price. With a 24 megapixel sensor, 4K 60 frames video, and 5-axis stabilization, it's perfect for both professionals and enthusiasts who want a top-tier image quality without the R5's price tag. So there you have it, the top 5 best-selling Canon cameras of 2025. Whether you are a beginner, a professional photographer, or a content creator, there's a Canon camera for you. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more camera reviews and photography tips. Which camera do you want me to review next? Drop your suggestion below. If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.